Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to see your Snapchat story after 24 hours, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the camera screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This will open the Memories section where all your saved snaps and stories are stored. Step 3. Now, scroll down to view your past stories. Snapchat automatically saves them for you if you have the Save to Memories option enabled. Step 4. Look at the top right corner and tap on the Stories tab. This section organizes all your previously posted stories, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Step 5. Browse through the list and select the story you want to view. From here, you can watch it again, share it with friends, or even save it to your device. And that's it. How you can see your Snapchat story after 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.